All right, guys, welcome to today's recap video on the Emini futures. And in this video, I'm going to show you a really neat trick, okay, on how to use trend lines and only trend lines to catch huge moves. I'm talking 40 points, 50 points, 80 points, okay? That's points, by the way, all right? Points, not ticks, points. Huge moves, okay? So what I have here for you are two charts on the E-mini futures. Okay, here's a long chart. Let's call this the bullish chart. And here's a short chart. Let's call this the bearish chart. Okay, and now full disclosure, the strategy that I'm going to show you right now originated from one of my active trader customers. The guy's killing it. Jamie, if you're listening, big shout out to you. I hope you don't mind if I show all of my subscribers and my customers your strategy. I actually thought it was a great way to take trades both long and short. Okay, so let me show you how this strategy works. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on the strategy on both the charts. Okay, so I'm going to pop on the longs, as you can see right here, and I'm also going to pop on the short. So let me show you what the chart output looks like whenever you've popped on, or I should say overlaid, the strategy onto the chart. Okay, and so kaboom, just like that, we've got the overlay. All right, as you can see here in the top left, we've got the strategy overlay on the longs, and if I show you the shorts, we've got the strategy overlay on the shorts. Now check this out, and let me get to the good stuff now. All right, check this out. Typically, the way the strategy was meant to be used, or I should say the way that I've programmed this, all right, for active traders and serious traders, is that you essentially want to wait for a purple trend line first before you start executing on green trend lines, as you can see here. Does that make sense? So the purple has to come first, and then you kind of like, get your mind right, get your game right, and execute against the greens. And same thing on the shorts, okay? Whenever you see these purples, you don't execute. You wait for the red. Okay, you can see all of these red trend lines. But check this out. And again, Jamie, big thank you for showing this to me yesterday. I thought it was awesome, and I want to show this strategy to the entire world, okay? What if you just ignored the greens? And what if you ignored all the reds? Okay, stay with me here. And you just executed against the purples. Make sense? So the idea here would be to go long and short, okay, either two different accounts or two different related instruments, like two different E-mini futures, okay? So potentially go long and short, okay, and evaluate your positions at the end of the session. Make sense, guys? So let me show you how that would have played out today. Okay, let's start with the longs first. Okay, so crystal clear. All right, this is today's full 24-hour session on the futures market. There was only one purple right here. Okay, so your entry would have taken place right here when the purple trend line broke to the upside. Remember, this is the longs, okay? And your stop would have been placed one tick below the swing low, and that was it. I mean, if you missed this opportunity, you missed it. You missed 40 or 50 points on the E-minis, okay? Now, how about the shorts? How'd the shorts do? Well, check this out. Here's a purple, and here's a few other purples, okay? I only want to pay attention to the purples that broke. Make sense? So let me show you all the areas where the purple actually broke to the downside. Remember, this is the shorts. We're playing for a sell-off. There's an entry. Stop gets placed right there, okay? There's another entry right here, okay? Stop gets placed right there. Isn't that interesting how across the board, both in the longs and the shorts, the entries that took place against the purple, right? The master trend line, not the slave trend line. We're playing against the purple, all right? Isn't that interesting how every single trade today ran for a winner? Okay, now I'm going to go one step further, all right? I'm not going to cherry pick, all right? So in the shorts today, I think you guys would agree that there were some really nice trades, but say you got stopped out on all of them, right? Well, I shouldn't say all of them, just these two. Okay, so you took a short trade, you got to break even, and you got stopped out. So on both of these, you didn't lose any money. So what's the tally in the shorts? Well, the profit from the shorts, you didn't make money, you didn't lose money, it's zero. But how about the longs? What's the profit on the longs from today? Well, the profit from the longs, 35 points. Again, guys, that's points, not ticks. All right, this is about 140 ticks if you're counting your P&L in ticks. Okay, so again, let's bring this home. All right, let me conclude this video for you guys and show you how awesome a simple trend line can really be. Okay, so the profit from the longs, 35 points. The profit from the shorts, 0 points. Say you even lost a few points. Okay, say this was not 0, but say this was like -1 or -2 points, right? You factor in commissions. Look at the net gain from running one short and simultaneously running one long. Net gain of 35 points, guys. All right. I thought this was a really interesting strategy. I never even looked at it from this perspective before. So again, Jamie, if you're listening, if you're watching, thanks for the tip on this. Everybody else out there, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're able to use this to capture huge gains. If you'd like to learn more about this strategy, get in touch. Happy to hook you up with the free one-on-one demo. Guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next trade.